Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at factorizing non-Monic quadratics. So the first thing I want us to think about is thinking of the quadratic form. Ax squared plus bx plus c. So the first thing we need to be doing is thinking about a times c. And a times c here is 3 times 3 is 9. So we are looking for two numbers that times together to equal 9. So I'm just going to list all the factors. We've got 1 times 9 equals 9. We have -1 times -9 equals 9. We've got 3 times 3 to equal 9. And we also have -3 times -3 equals 9. Now, we need to pick the factors, the two that add up to our b. And our b is 10. So it must be 1 plus 9. So all I'm doing is rewriting my equation. So I still got the 3x squared, but instead of writing 10x, I'm just going to write it as x and 9x, which equals 10x. And then I've got plus 3. So now I am going to simplify, but by looking at a common factor between 3x squared and x, and I'm going to look at a common factor of 9x and 3. So with my first one, I can see that there's a common factor of 3x. So I'm going to divide both of them by 3x. Sorry, by x. So 3x squared divided by x gives me 3x. X divided by x gives me 1. And then I look at my 9x plus 3. And again, I can see a common factor of 3. So I'm dividing everything by 3. So 9x divided by 3 is 3x. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. You can always check by expanding it back out to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. Now, this is where we can think about x is being times by 3x plus 1, and 3 is being times by 3x plus 1. So just think about it as we're grabbing the common factor from both of them out the front. And what is left? Well, I've got x plus 3. So this is pretty much saying that 3x plus 1 has to times by x, and 3x plus 1 has to times by 3. And that is how we factorize a non-Monic quadratic.